Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete Patreon account. So if you also want to delete your Patreon account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice and go to the official website of Patreon. For that, simply click on the search bar and type in www.patreon.com and then you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now look at the left. At bottom, you'll be able to see your page name over here. And right next to it, you'll be able to see three dots. All you have to do is click on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Here you can see several options. Find the option for privacy policy. Click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see Patreon privacy policy over here. At top right corner, you'll be able to see two options. View past requests and make a privacy request. All you have to do is click on this option, make a privacy request. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Scroll down. Here you can see two options, download and erase. In order to delete your account, what you have to do is click on this option, erase. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Read these informations very carefully. Now click on the allow option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Read these informations very carefully. Now click on the confirm request option that you can see right over here. You can see over here request submitted successfully. It will take about 30 days to process your request. But keep in mind that deleting your Patreon account is a non-reversible action. It erases all of your data from the platform. It is not a substitute for cancelling membership. You will have to manually cancel a membership. So after you follow these steps, your Patreon account will be deleted. So that is how you delete Patreon account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.